So the next example that I go through is a typical quadratic equation word problem that will come out. About 75% of the time, 3 in 4 exam schools paper that I see, they test on this. Okay? Mark took part and Dennis took part in the race that is 59 km. Okay? Dennis cycled at a speed of x km per hour. So like I said, the first part they will give you, find the number of hours that he complete. So time for who? Dennis is equals to distance divided by speed. Okay, and this is in hour. B. Mark cycle at 3 km per hour faster than, Mark, this should be Dennis. Cycle at 3 km per hour faster than Dennis. Write down the amount of hours, same thing. So the time for Mark is equals to 59 over x plus 3. Just like that. Okay? For the sake of pointing out something, instead of writing 1.5 hours here, I'll write here 90 minutes. Okay? For the sake of pointing out something to you all. Alright? Let me ask you, if your speed is faster, do you take a longer time? Okay? So no, so the important thing is the slower guy is equals to the longer time. Okay? And always use longer time minus shorter time equals to the difference in time. Mark completed the race 90 minutes earlier than Dennis. And because I purposely changed it to 90 minutes, because I want to tell you that most of the time they will test it this way. The speed they will give you in kilometer per hour. The distance they will give you in kilometer. But when it comes to the difference in time, they give you in minute. And this is the part that students make a lot of mistakes in. Okay? So who take a longer time? Dennis take a longer time, which is 59 over x. Minus 59 over x plus 3. This is the longer time minus shorter time equals to the difference in timing. What is the difference in timing? Is 90 minutes. But when you put 90, you have to put 90 over 60 because 90 is in minute. Okay, unless they gave you, like originally they gave you 1.5 hours, then you should write 1.5 on the right side. Okay? And based on what you learned before, the left side, go and make it to a common denominator. Okay, so 59 must times x plus 3 minus 59 must times x. The common denominator is x bracket x plus 3. 90 over 60 will give you 3 over 2. Why you need to simplify? So that later you can cross multiply easily. Okay, numerator left with 59 times 3. So 59x plus 177 minus 59x equals to, okay, over x bracket x plus 3 is equals to 3 over 2. Okay, and this is where you cross multiply. 177 multiplied by 2 is equals to 3x bracket x plus 3. Okay, then I will have 354 is equals to 3x squared, okay, plus 3x, 9x, sorry. So 3x squared plus 9x minus 354 equals to 0. Everybody divide by 3 minus, okay, 118 equals to 0. Okay, x squared plus 3x minus 118. Okay, wait, I think there's something wrong with the question, so this should be minus 118. And unfortunately, this equation cannot be factorized nicely into brackets. If you have learned quadratic formula, then we will use the quadratic formula and solve for this. This guy cannot be expressed as a bracket. Something wrong with the question, so this is what you should get. But the important thing about this is, usually in this kind where the speed is faster than the other, okay, always take the longer time minus the shorter time equals to the difference. And when you have the difference in time, make sure it's in the same unit, okay, as your speed.